I still remember 3rd of September 2014 when I was leaving for Jammu. It was raining like anything. And after 4 days on 7th of September 2014, we witnessed one of the tragic disasters Kashmir has ever seen. Whole Kashmir flooded with water. People leaving their homes, property, and cars and running for their life. After all, it was a race between life and death. The home, which is considered to be the safest place, was no longer safe. All means of communication came to a halt. It was caused by torrential rainfall. The Indian administrated Jammu and Kashmir as well as Pakistan administrated Azad Kashmir were affected by these deadly floods. By September 24, 2014, nearly 277 people in India and 280 people in Pakistan had died due to these floods. Estimated damage of property were between 5,000 to 6,000 crore Indian rupees. 2,600 villages were reported to be affected, out of which 390 villages were completely submerged. 80,000 households had to be completely evacuated to the safest place. Whole of Kashmir was witnessing a deadly flood in 2014. That was the brief summary of 2014 floods. For more exciting videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel Born to Conquer. Thank you. Have a good day.